This is Ron Woody. It is August the 22nd, 2022. It's been my third day that I've been out here in my yard. You can see from earlier videos how during the summer you have more supers on your colonies, and then as you get approaching winter you start taking them off. So let me just record here kind of what I have. So the two colonies on the left hand side, I just got into those. Was thinking about taking the two top boxes off, but it does have some honey in it, so there may be a little fall honey in those two. So that you can see how I've got the bricks on it as opposed to laying it on its side on the third one. So the third one's had a Aprivar treatment. Either, I think it was yesterday I did that one. And then you have Aprivar treatments on these three. I did 3 samples of mite count, and every one of them was extremely high. It's almost like, do I want to take honey off of those, or do I want to treat for the varroa mite? But since there was so many frames of honey almost capped, I decided, all right, I'm going to try to extract that honey, put those boxes back on, let them clean it out, and then take them off and then do the treatment. And those may be an oxalic acid treatment depending on when that's done. All of these others have had, well, you got one right here again that there's enough honey in the top box and you see I've got a queen excluder there. The rest of these, you see how the bricks are turned, and then you have a fourth one here that potentially has honey. So there are potentially 4 boxes, 5 boxes if we have a good fall honey flow. So treatment has been done on the red one on the end, this one. So 1, 2, the one in the middle is just like a bait box, and then you have 3. I went ahead and treated this one in the bookcase cabinet. So all of these have been treated for varroa mites with Aprivar, except for the ones that have honey supers on them, and you cannot treat those while you have honey supers on. So I'm going to let it stay this way for a couple of more weeks, and then see if I do get any honey off of these. At the same time, right between these, that one died out on me, probably a varroa mite. So I just picked it up, and I'm going to see about getting it cleaned up. No wax moths in it yet. But August the 22nd, 2022. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 active hives here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 that have not been treated.